In this video, we are unboxing the 3-jaw cylinder honing tool. Its main purpose is for honing and polishing the inner walls of engine cylinders, remove scratches, scoring, carbon deposits, and rust from cylinder walls, creates a crosshatch pattern that improves piston ring sealing, and oil retention for lubrication. At the top is the drive shank, a thin metal shaft used to install on the chuck of a drill, air drill, or die grinder to drive the whole assembly. Below that is the adjustment screw and knurled knob. Rotate the bottom knurled nut, and the screw mechanism pushes or pulls the 3-jaw carrier. This expands the 3 stones outward to fit different cylinder bore diameters. During the entire process, make sure to apply kerosene or specific honing oil for cooling and lubrication to prevent heat damage to the cylinder walls. Do not run the tool at excessive speed. Use low RPM and a slow reciprocating motion to avoid overhoming in one spot and creating an out-of-round condition. After honing is complete, make sure to clean all abrasive dust from the cylinder to prevent damaging the new piston rings. Depending on the severity of cylinder wall damage, select the appropriate coarse or fine grit stones.